The good news is that all of your lights have been dusted off, amped up and are beaming brilliantly throughout the entire Omniverse. There isn't a light worker around that isn't glowing. Well done, my beloveds, well done. Lights are busting through areas of darkness that haven't seen light in eons upon eons. With everyone's assistance, the density is falling away. Cracks and fissures will soon be flooded with more light than they have ever experienced before. You are making a difference. You are holding more of your own power, and as the energy continues to flood in, you will be able to hold more of this light through your constant vigilant clearing efforts. After your daily energy field clearing exercises, my beloveds, see in your imagination an empty space that has been created by this debris removal. This empty space now needs to be filled, because the universe abhors a vacuum, with the very highest of light and love that your own essence can hold. In your imagination, see a glass funnel above your head. Ask your angels and spirit guides to fill your essence with the Creator's divine grace. You can picture the Creator's divine grace as a sparkling liquid gold being poured by your heavenly support staff directly into the glass funnel above your head. This sparking liquid gold etheric substance will then enter you and all throughout your essence energy fields. It will fill any cleared or vacant space with the Creator's divine love and light known as divine grace. The Creator reminds you that this is the very same substance that your higher self is filled with, and also that the Creator is filled with divine grace. This is your very own divine essence and only works toward your highest and best good. This divine grace essence further brings in the keys and light codes to help you move forward. It is part of who you are and who you have always been. This is the melding spot to bring forth the remembrance of your true divine nature. It is time, my beloveds, to wake up. Allow this messenger to take you on a mediation journey to remember this divine grace essence. Arrange yourself in seated position or lie down so that you are comfortable. Keep your legs and arms from crossing if at all possible, as this blocks the flow of energy. Cover yourself with a light blanket if you chill easily. We want you comfortable and undisturbed for a while as you journey within yourself through meditation. Close your eyes and take a comfortable deep breath, then comfortably exhale as hard as is possible. With each in-breath, you are breathing in love and renewal. With each out-breath, you are breathing out fear, frustration, and doubt. Take another comfortable deep breath in and comfortably exhale, just letting all the stress go. Take another comfortable deep breath in and then just exhaling, letting it all go with a sigh as you are breathing out all frustrations of the day. Feel your body relaxing from the top of your head down to your toes. Give yourself permission to feel the calm and peace. Your muscles are feeling loose and limp, so relaxed, so deliciously serene, so wonderfully lazy. Direct your ego self to perch on your left shoulder. Instruct your ego self that it is only to be an observer on this journey, it is not to participate. If it helps you to visualize your ego self by identifying it as a symbol or as an object, please do so. In your imagination, ask through prayer for the Creator to send you down a protective ray of white light by praying mentally something like this: My Creator, I am asking for a protective ray of white light to enfold me and lift me up so that I am experiencing the very highest of vibrations during this journey into my innermost depths of understanding and being. I am protecting myself, my Creator, from anything that is not for my highest good on this journey. I am thanking you in advance, my Creator, for assisting me by sending this ray. I am visualizing the ray in my imagination now coming down through the corner of the area where I am meditating. It is entering into my physical form, permeating all that is within my I am presence. The Creator has responded to your prayer and has gifted you with an iridescent white ray and 12 golden fluid rays for this journey. The rays are entering into your body through the soles of your feet and moving up through your physical vessel, permeating throughout all of your etheric energy fields and physical vessel and into all corners of the actual area that you are meditating in. The rays then are exiting through your crown chakra. The rays are returning to the Creator and cycling back down through you again and back to the Creator in a continuous circular loop. These protective therapeutic rays are in a continuous circular motion while you are in meditation. You are now divinely protected at this moment, and nothing can even communicate with you that is not for your highest good, without your permission. My divine beings of light. You are breathing very slowly and evenly now, you are feeling secure and safe. Breathe in deeply, my beautiful beings of light, and feel the lighter, relaxed feelings of being protected and divinely guided into this meditation. Breathe in deeply and know that you are breathing to the pulse of the Creator. Listen to the Creator's spiritual heartbeat and feel the unconditional love that courses through you each time you think about this moment. Breathe in deeply, allowing and seeing within your spiritual imagination your guardian angels and invited spirit guides as they join you now. The angels take your etheric essence hands and guide you out of your physical body. The angels then direct you into your etheric spiritual heart chakra. An angel has been stationed to stay with your physical essence until you return from your meditation journey. You are seeing, feeling and sensing this within your imagination. Your guardian angels, spirit guides and special invited guests are with you now within your spiritual heart chakra. Your angels and guides are helping you locate the golden door that says to my highest guidance within. You have located the golden door and now you turn the etheric spiritual door knob, opening the door as you cross over the threshold, knowing that you are on a spiritual growth adventure. You find yourself in a white marble corridor. As you arrive, you hear a honking horn in the background. Your angels laugh and tells you that your Jeep driver is here to whisk you away to your very own crystal palace. They hand you a pair of goggles and point you to a roll-up garage door just down the hall there to your right. You pop on your goggles and head out the garage door. There on the driveway is a huge white re-engineered Jeep complete with jet propulsion packs on the back. You see this and laugh because now you understand why you will need the goggles. You tell your angels that they constantly amaze you at the lengths they will go to make you laugh and to get your attention. They show you that it is never a dull moment when the angels are around. They remind you that angels have a very playful nature. The angel driver, of this souped-up Jeep, is wearing goggles as well as an aviator cap, leather bomber jacket and a scarf tossed casually around her neck. She waves hello as you and your entourage pile into the back of the Jeep. Now that you are all in, the angel driver takes off like she is flying a jet plane. You feel the wind pushing you back against the seat as the jet packs kick in and the Jeep's velocity is pushed to full throttle. You are arriving at your Crystal Palace's new garage before you can even blink your eyes. You are noticing that the garage is actually part of a new addition onto your Crystal Palace. The space where the Crystal Palace actually sits has had to continually expand just to accommodate the vast construction projects that you have been going through these past several years. You notice that the garage actually enters into a side door that is also new. Your angels lead the way and you notice that the side door also has a hallway off to the left that leads into the grand circular room. The side door, however, is closest to the healing and releasing room, and this is where you will be working today, your angels relay. You follow along and enter the healing and releasing room when the angels open the door for you. The healing and releasing room has also had a makeover and expansion since your last visit. The room is now painted a glowing, soothing color that you just love. The golden pillow on the floor in the middle of the room is new. You notice that the giant crystal hanging over the golden pillow has been enlarged. You notice a new station has been added at the head portion of that golden pillow. The angels have you look around a bit and check out all the new things of interest. Your wonderful healing and releasing pool with its floating flowers on top is still there but has been expanded and enlarged as well. Your angels ask you to stand on the golden line to your left, and there they take a reading of your energy levels with their crystal wand sensor unit. The angels explain that this measurement will allow just the right amount of divine grace to flow in for your current settings. The angels ask you to recline on the golden pillow in the middle of the room. The angels adjust the giant crystal to assist you with an energy upgrade. The new station located at your head, as you are laying on the pillow, is being configured so that just the right amount of divine grace will be integrated into all of your energy fields. When all the measurements are right, the angels activate the crystal and the divine grace dispenser system. You feel this comfortable warm glow all over your body. A huge smile comes over your face as you sense the changes occurring on the etheric level of your essence. This feels so fabulous, you tell the angels. This is like taking a glorious warm shower and having each drop of water love the body that it is touching. The feeling of love that you are experiencing is almost overwhelming. You just can't stop smiling. All the mechanisms stop when just the right calibration markers have been met and your infusion is now complete. You lay there for another minute or two, not wanting to interrupt one moment of this loving feeling that has been pouring through every cell and etheric cell of your beingness. Finally you get up from the golden cushion and walk around a bit. Your body is actually still in the final process of the energy transformation. You tell your angels that you can't believe the difference, this is such a high upgrade to where you have been in the past. Your angels explain that you have grown just that much since your last visit here. They also tell you that this is a process that you will need to repeat often just to keep up with your own evolutionary growth steps. You are expanding, they tell you, at warp speed. You thank the angels for their assistance. They direct you back out the door and back to the new side door entrance. You didn't see any of your Serenity Garden friends today, but you will be back soon and spend more time going through all the construction changes and garden renovations. You walk on the path back to the garage. Your angel driver waves again and tells you to hop in. After all are seated, the Jeep takes off again, and in the blink of an eye you are back at the garage where you started this adventure. You instantly find yourself back in the white marble corridor. You catch a glimpse of your beaming and glowing essence in the mirror. Your angels lead you back across the threshold of the golden door within, back into your spiritual heart chakra, and then they assist the return of your spiritual essence back into your physical form. Take a deep breath to help you reorient as you wiggle your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. Go about your day remembering that your inner higher wisdom and angelic support staff are always at your service, working with you to help you reach your highest, most appropriate potential. Listen for those first thoughts that pop into your awareness and know without a shadow of a doubt that you are receiving daily spiritual guidance. Beloveds, you are blessed beyond words and loved beyond measure, more than any earth plane language can ever express. I am Archangel Michael, the Creator's messenger of love, joy, wisdom, light, peace, and grace.